So I have these four submissions I've been working on over the last month, right? One is coconut farmer with my daughter. We started recent. Last one I started. This one is the plain game, Flights of Fancy. This one is Lyric Odyssey, where you would drop some song lyrics and it'll create a story based on it. And this one is Wanda, which is kind of to help you with spelling practice. None have polish, so I'm gonna try to kind of go through them tonight and see how I feel about them. And probably by the end of this evening, I'll submit at least one tonight and maybe another one over the weekend, that kind of thing. I have until Monday, the 30th of June. So we'll see how it goes. So we actually start with, I don't remember where we were here. Um, you know what? I feel like I can take the video we created and summarize what were next steps. So let me bring that over here. Bring that over here. Find that previous video. Um, Coconut Farmer, copy link. Go over to Gemini. Say summarize this video. Down here, the next steps for the app. So does this query here. Can't even access it. I don't think it can. Try that again. It shouldn't be able to access it. Let me stop you. Edit this one. There you go. So all right, so while this guy here, um, go over to this. Does this even work? You can draw a plane. You can upload a drawing. You can choose a design. Oh, this was the one with the plane flying. I forgot about this. So we pick a plane, and you should be able to control it. I remember my kids were excited about this, but they didn't work well. Hover over planes to stop them. That doesn't work. Click them to take control. All right, and you can use your keyboard to move it. I forgot that works. All right, cool. So that's the WASD keys. Let's get another plane mix. Um, Choose design, fighter jet. This is already feeling like vibes, and it's not even the vision I had for it. But I like it. So it's hovering. Um, there it says one control with that guy. So I'm flying with my uh no, we can add weapons to this easily, I imagine. But it is in the spirit of what I saw in that museum. Like it wasn't make your planes and shoot each other. So I don't want to do that. I mean, it should be fun. But what if we could do something else? Um, all right, so we have this game. This is fun, but all right, let's give it an objective. Let me talk to both with the objective. You're saying there's two problems. Oh, I actually wanted to control this via the phone, which is where the WebSocket stuff is coming in. You try and fix. In the meantime, let's see what's over here. This one. So I am literally flitting all over the place, which is not good. But it's not hurting anything. I like the hackathon for fun. So let me see. Um, right, this was, oh wow, oh, take that call. Hey, let me call you back. Also, yeah, so call him back. Um, right, anyway, uh, begin. Needs an API key. Oh yes, I forgot about this altogether. Um, go to Google AI Studio. Over here, and create an API key. Shouldn't I already have one? Project lyrical, yeah, same project. All right, API key. Sure. Created paste. Continue to view. All right. And I was using like Trinidad folk songs. Trinidad Tobago folk songs. Um, Savannah Grass is not folk music, but look at it. Where's your list? This should be easy. Folk songs. Do you know Mr. John Dooley? Bim bam. I hear my kids singing this. What is this about? Tangent time. This reminds me of second episode. Do you know Mr. John Dooley? Man from Salad. Alright, so suppose you hear this song. Do you know Mr. John Dooley? I did sing this song in primary school. This is the song I think I heard my kids singing. Johnny Grotto was a fisherman's son. Yeah, 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 my boy. Let's go with this one. Alright, so imagine you had this song. You could drop it in Johnny Grotto by folk. Paste it here. See what that gives us. So no need to save that password. I remember looking at this with one of my kids, and they're like, "It's too many words." No, mind you could listen to this, right? So one of the things I think I wanted to do with this was to add in. So if you go to um, hackathon.dev, one of the things I wanted to add in here was the judges. There's a thing that the builder pack spoke about, right? So 11 labs, right? So I think it'd be cool if you used an 11 labs voice here. If you listen to narration, what happens? I don't hear anything. So anyway, so these kisses. One of the things I want to do is automatically visualize the scene every time. I'll burn through my tokens, but I'm looking for a compelling thing. The salty spray of the sea kisses your face, a giant grotto, a fisherman with hands tougher than driftwood grins. The salty spray of the sea kisses your face as Johnny Grotto, a fisherman with hands tougher than driftwood grins. And ahoy, my boy. He booms, gesturing into the hazy shore brimming with promise. You know what? The language before the game begins, ask the user their age, then ensure the language of the game is age appropriate. Paragraphs too long. All right, I like it. So first thing, cooking. This is probably the hardest one. Right, I actually muted this because it has a little starting noise. Unmute. So let's create a list.
Let's create a new spelling list. You can either type the words or use your voice to add them. What would you like to name your list?
List one. Who is hello? Test. Food. All right, so that's a save list.
Great job. Your list. Welcome back. Ready to practice some spelling?
It actually does a lot.
Welcome back. Ready to practice some spelling?
That's why I muted it. That was really annoying.
Let's practice 4 words from your list 1 list. I'll say each word and you can spell it out loud. Ready? Spell the word. 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 Spell the word.
Yeah.
Spell the word. Spell the word. Spell the word.
Something's broken. It doesn't say what word. It was very interesting. If I were to, what's the problem? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Let's refresh this. If I were to use Tavas, it the AI would know what to do automatically. It would just know what to do. But if I try to code my way there, it's problematic. I like this idea a lot, but I don't have enough experience with the speech stuff for it to make sense. Yeah, like when I tried this with Tavas, it was actually, and if I could go to this now, you know, set. Let me see if I could find my Tavas back. Or my builder pack for which there's Tavas. And that was a fisher website. Long time ago. Alright, so this is Tavas, right? Tavas or Tabas. I'm sorry guys. I don't know how to pronounce you. So when I was here, like we could just go to this thing. And I think I did one before. Let's say create conversation. You are helpful art to practice my spelling for school. Spelling. Hi. Oh, I didn't see it. Oh, yeah. Yep. Sure. Um, you're helpful, but right. So if I create and I join, can't access my camera. Oh, that's all right. Go to the camera. Oh, I can't demo this now because this thing can't hear me because I'm over here on my camera. I wonder if I could change which camera you're using. Charlie got to look. I'm over here. It's a fisherman's son. Yeah, yeah, yeah. A long time ago. Anyway, you think there's an error? Let's try this again. Tip of camera. Tip of mic. Good lord. All right, Tapas. I think we'll come back to you. You're wasting my time. Do want to try this out though. So maybe later. All right. So that's how I see this Tapas coming in here because it did work that time. Uh, I like this idea a lot. Um, why didn't this work? Oh, this may not work as well because I'm recording, so I may have to do this one offline. All right, so we'll put this. We'll come back to this. Um, lyrics. Let's do this one again. You can only you. Let's say you're 8. Continue. Theme song. Johnny Grotto. Trinidad folk. Um, I have the key in my clipboard. So let's get something else. Get it again. Folk songs. You should probably just keep this up. Um, nice. Salt spray stings your face as the rhythm of Johnny Grotto pulses from your enchanted earbuds. Your Kai, a legendary beach scavenger known for finding seriously awesome stuff. All right. Follow the music, search for clues, consult the best to Maya. Consult Maya. Now I know what I want. For the easel, at each turn of the story, automatically visualize. See, use a comic book aesthetic that is thematically relevant, unfolding story, and us story, history, piece. You did. All right, so while that's cooking, go over here. So we have a fleet of 2 planes. What do we want? Oh, you can't really fix this. What's wrong with the WebSocket stuff? I really like this debug screen. I've started including things. I can just tell it build a debug screen for me, and it does it, which is useful. Uh, who is this again? Let's see if there's anything here. Pull up new WebSockets. Hmm. Just do both. Does a Slack app built with both need a WebSocket connection. What's it saying? This is doing a weird thing. My dock is blocking me. Hang on. Good. Oh, what's that? Hold web socket mode. This may not be what I want. I don't know what this boat is. This might be my boat. I wonder what this. What I want here, the thing I'm doing here, is I want to be able to control the planes via phone. So in my mind, you could do that via a WebSocket. How else? If we weren't WebSockets to communicate between the website trying to equal to was it? Yeah. Yeah, mobile crashes. All right. So what are we saying here? Um, so alternatives WebSockets. Hmm. So not push notifications. We won't use Firebase. For my game, all right. Implement HTTP polling. Nice. Thanks, Walt. All right. What did we say about this guy here? In the video, a father and a daughter collaborate to build a mobile game. Story driven. Coconut products. Okay. Oh, wow. I love that this thing remembered. Beautiful. All right. So where are we? Does this even work? What's his story? Not my beginner's journey. The gift. This is a special coconut. First step, plant your tree. All right, so go to farm. I think they should have a link here. Each step should have a link to the place in the game the player should jump to. They should jump to. All right, so I have to hit him that so let that cook. Um, this guy is still replacing. Oh, this guy is ready. This burner is ready, as it were. And we leaving this open for the minute. All right, so let's go. On here to Trinidad folk song lyrics. So express things. It's seen automatically becomes a common panel. Start your story to see. All right, we saw space things. Challenge when we got to sudden squall hits. This is for people who are 8. You decide to go fast to ride this out. Legends say only the smartest sailors survive this crazy Trinidadian storms. Do you outrun, drop anchor, navigate? Of course, navigate. So we continue the story, but it's not showing me my scene here. Usual. Oh, interesting. No problem. Uh, Fail at fetch. Fail to fetch. This was attempting. Generate comic scene. Well, this used to work, so I don't know what's going on there. Attempt fix. I don't know that this only has 3 scenes. Beaches disaster zone, weathered half-buried net. Could this carve me a clue? We know both. So you can view the story. Right. Back. You can share, you can save. New adventure. All right, so this is cooking. Nice. I have to go have dinner. So I'm gonna pause and come back to this later. Keep cooking, guys.